Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In my video this time, I will discuss Slack material in DHCP6. Okay, before understanding stateless address auto configuration or Slack or DHCP6, we must first understand the concept of global unique address or GUA and link local address or LLAS. Next, an IPv6 link local address is an IPv6 address automatically generated by a host when an interface becomes active. The host uses ICMPv6 router advertisement or RA message from the router to obtain information. In this, Slack or stateless address auto configuration is a system or protocol that does not store state information from previous communication. No device or server record or manage the assignment of IPv6 address to client. This stateless address auto configuration or Slack. Next, and this Slack only. Stateless address auto configuration or Slack, a router send router advertisement or RA message to provide IPv6 address information. Specifically, the first network traffic lanes, default gateway, and then hosts generate their own GUI automatically and quickly without the assistance of DHCP6. Next, Slack with DHCP6. The first stateless and stateful combination generate a host address or Slack, requesting additional information or DNS MTP ads. And then the server only provides additional information. It does not manage or log the IPv6 client. Okay, next. RA or router advertisement is an ICMPv6 packet sent by a router to a local network or LAN to provide IPv6 addressing information. The first A, address automatical or stateless, and then O, other config flag or combination, and last M, manage address configuration or stateful. Okay, next, and then RA package combination. The Slack only use A or address auto configuration. Slack and DHCP6 this use A and O. O other config flag. DHCP6 this use M or manage address configuration. Okay, next. And this packet RS to RA. RS or router solicitation is a request packet sent from a host to a router to request IPv6 configuration information. And this RS or router solicitation. Next, process to generate interface ID. Number 1, randomly generate randomly and unique. And number 2, a Y64 combined with a host interface ID or MAC address by inserting the hexadecimal value FFFA into the middle of the IPv6 address. Okay, next. And last, duplicate address detection. In a stateless network, a host can verify that a newly generated IPv6 address is unique. Hosts use the duplicate address detection or DAD process to ensure the uniqueness of their IPv6 global unique address or GUA. To perform DAD, the host sends an ICMPv6 neighbor solicitation or NS message specially designed multicast address known as the solicited node multicast address. It notifies response with a neighbor advertisement or NA message. The generated IPv6 address is confirmed to be unique and ready for use. However, if response is received, the address is not unique, and the process must be repeated to generate a unique address. Okay, now we'll continue implementing it using Cisco Packet Tracer. For the topology here, we only need one router, one switch, and one PC. and then we connect everything using cable. Okay. Yeah. And then forget to give it IPv6 address. Okay. 2001 DBA 10 and 1 slash 16.4. Okay. And then let's go to the router first. Okay. We enable config terminal and then type no IPv6 unicast routing. Enter. Exit. Enter. Now we enable it again. Enable config terminal and then interface gigabit 0/0. Enter. IPv6 address 2001 DBA 10 and 1 slash 64. Oh, sorry, I forget something. Okay, enter, and then snusuk down. Now let's try it on the PC desktop. Okay, PC desktop IV configuration. We just click automatic. Then we go to the router again. Okay, exit. IPv6 unicast routing. Enter. Now let's take a look. Okay, desktop. Okay, it's there, so it's automatic. It's actually quite simple, just like this. The configuration is very minimal, and it immediately appears like this, automatically, as we explained earlier. So, now, let's try Ping. Ping 2001 DB8, then 1. Enter. Now this complete the replay form and TTL. So that it's very simple to implement for Slack and the HCVV6. In the next video, I discuss HCVV6 in more depth. So that's all my video this time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.